Hey everybody, what's happening? It's Bill with Franklin Loan Center with my friend Jill Shields with Zoom Drain. And this is just something that I don't think many of us think about. It's a hidden issue. Of course, she helps out with scoping drains and just trying to figure out what's going on with drains. And so I wanted to, again, it's one of these hidden issues I think about with real estate agents, buying a house, selling a house, or even if you're just in your house and kind of wondering what's going on, just looking to be preemptive, because you can certainly do a drain once it's clogged, but that's when it's too late. And so I wanted Jill to come on, tell us maybe a story or two, and then help us understand the importance of this darn thing.
Yeah, no problem. So thank you for having me, of course. So I'm Jill with Zoom Drain. So our company specializes in sewer and drain specifically. So basically, my biggest thing for you guys, I think an advantage would be camera inspecting your lines before buying, selling, or just for peace of mind. So realistically, a camera inspection, it's a pretty straightforward thing, but none of us have x-ray vision. So it's just doing a checkup before you're making a big purchase on selling or buying a home. And that could just be an added asset as a real estate agent to help your clients for, their future property. So it's a really effortless, kind of straightforward thing that we do, and we'll be able to tell you if you have a clean bill of health or not. And some horror stories, of course, I've been guilty of that. When I first bought my home with my husband, someone flushed carpet down the toilet, and we had no idea because we didn't get the line scoped. Before you know it, all of our drains clogged up, and the insurance company didn't cover it because routine maintenance is a part of the homeowner's, responsibility. And so therefore, new floors ruined because of somebody prior to flushing carpet down our toilet. But, buyer beware, of course. And so having a camera inspection would have really probably helped that process.
Yeah, well, and the cool thing is if you catch this stuff early before a backup, it's usually not that expensive, right?
Right.
Or, and even if you find out the worst and the drain needs to be redone or something like that, at least and you can get out in front of it and not have the added bonus of
completely agree.
A sewer backup.
Yeah, and then you have the sewage in your home, and then that's something that you kind of feel can never really go away because you've seen it with your own eyes and you smelt it with your nose. But yeah, a camera inspection is just, again, it's a peace of mind. It's a great opportunity for you to kind of set yourself apart from other agents. And I mean, really, it's not that expensive to really get it done and set yourself apart.
Yeah. I mean, that's kind of what I was thinking too, is it's one of those things that you could just get out in front of it. I mean, look, you could obviously scope it and find out what you were hoping wasn't there.
Right.
And I think about this particularly as a seller, but it's look, just get it. I mean, that's the other thing you were saying is, again, I mean, the worst is that you would have to replace the line.
Right.
But in a lot of cases, you can just spray it out or whatever it is. And again, they're fairly minimal cost.
Correct.
It gives everybody some peace of mind. So anyway, well, I appreciate you coming
Absolutely.
on. Thanks so much. It's one of these hidden things that none of us think about unless the worst happens. So
yeah, I appreciate your time. And you guys, Zoom Drain, if you need anything, we're here to help you guys, with every step of the way for the sewer and drains. So thank you.
Yeah, it's good stuff. We'll get them tagged and everything so you guys have easy contact. All right, thanks so much. I'm Bill.
Guys. Take
I'm with
care.
Franklin Loan Center, and I'll see y'all next week.